So this is a short video about element attributes or tag attributes. You can see that I have a paragraph of text here. It begins up at the top here with the opening tag and it ends down at the closing tag. In the opening tag we can add attributes that will actually tell the browser how to display that particular element. So in this case I'm going to display the align attribute. And attributes always have the attribute name, in this case align, followed by an equal sign, and then within quotation marks the value of the attribute. So by default paragraphs are aligned to the left. If, for example, I wanted to align this paragraph to the right, I would say align equals right. Now I could also have justified as a value for align, or left. So there are various values that we can assign to these attributes. Okay, so now that I've added that alignment attribute, or align attribute I should say, I can bring this up in my browser. So I'll go into my tools menu and bring it up in Chrome. And you can see that all of the text floats over to the right hand side of the screen here. Again, if I go back into my document and type in justify and save my document, Control S for save, and again bring it up in Chrome, you can see that the margins are the same on both sides. Now this doesn't just work with the paragraph tag. There are lots of other tags in HTML that can use that align, or the attributes I should say. So if, for example, I wanted to add a horizontal rule, which is simply the HR tag, I can add a width attribute, width equals, and then within quotes I'll put 50%. So this will make it 50% the width of my screen, and I'll put color equals red. Notice the spelling of color. And I'll save this, and again I'll bring it up in Chrome, and you see that yes, indeed, this horizontal rule is 50% the width of the screen. Of course it is centered and it's red. Now in this case we have two attributes. We could have as many attributes as the tag will allow, and again they can be used on various different tags in HTML.